Welcome back to my channel, and it's come to this, where it's time I can put the timing belt on. Now, well, this could either be good or it could go as a disaster. Either way, it'll get on there somehow. Now these bearings, the type that go on here, I got NSK. I don't know why. I just always had good things happen with NSK. I got IT Engine Components timing belt. I've never gone wrong with an ITM belt yet. So let's keep on hoping ITN continues to rock for me, because I have never had a bad ITM belt yet on any vehicle I've used. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy about a lot of things usually. Since they always do fail, and they always fail, this is pretty cheap. This is probably Chinese made. I'll just tell you, it was cheap, so I bought it. It feels okay. It's Ultra Power. I know, Ultra Power, probably one of the worst ones out there, but I got it because, you know what? Every one I've taken off has failed. And, oh, by the way, I did pump this up. I pulled the pin. I did it all at work. I didn't want to film it. It was hot. It was busy that day at work, but I did it at work. And they say you had to release the air out of these now. Don't know why. It's just the way it is. So I did. I pulled the pin. I did the way, I looked at a YouTube video on how to do it. I did it exactly the same, and then I replaced the pin. So I couldn't film that. It was a busy day. So I didn't film that part. But, no, I don't want to put this on yet. I want to put on, is this the one? Yes it is. So, NSK, I always used NSK in the past also, and they seem to work for me. Get the package open. So here it is. Let's see, NSK, what's the part number on this one here? I'll get you here. You can see that. It is made in Japan though. So NSK are made in Japan. There it is. I will try to keep these. I'll put them in the description of the part number. So I bought all these three separately because I wanted NSK rollers here, so I'd have no problems. I did use the Chinese water pump though. So, what are you going to do? You got to do it once in a while, right? So, where's my bolts? And, where are my bolts? There's my bolt. And I believe this one uses this longer bolt. Yes. This one uses a longer bolt. And you know what? I'm going to put, can you see everything? You know what? Let's go a little wider right now. So, a little bit of Loctite on here. I'm just using blue. There was Loctite on these when I took them off, so I don't see any problem with putting Loctite back on. These are probably 14 mil. Oh, please tell me. I hope I'm putting this in the right spot. I'm pretty sure I am. And let's see, about 29 foot-pounds on that. Oh, I gotta get a 14 mil. There we go, I found my 14 mil. It's not the one I wanted, but it's gonna have to do. There we go. That should be 29. Let me double check here to make sure. No, that was not 29. I screwed that up. That was 25. There we go. There we go. There is 29. Okay, what's the next one? This one is, there's the number to this one. Hopefully it focuses in on that. Like I said, I'll try to put these in the description if I remember. It's very hot out today, so I am a little... I don't want to put that one in yet. Nope. That one I don't want to put in yet. This one goes to this bottom corner here. So I'll put this one in. Hopefully you can get that number. I hate doing stuff out here when it's this hot, but I decided to do this in the morning, but in turn, Mother Nature decided to fool me, and she said, no, forget it. We're going to make it hot for you anyway. So it don't matter what time you come out here. Even in the morning, you're getting the heat and the humidity. Oh, it's humid. Remember, I'm in Manitoba. We are humid all summer. And of course, I live by the big lake. So that does not help one bit. Now, be careful when you do put these in. Do not cross-thread these. Put them in by hand if you can, most of the way. Because once I did do a Subaru engine, and I screwed it up, and I had to drill that hole out, and I had to put in I had to recut a new hole into that. So, yeah, that wasn't fun times then. Just grab this, get this. There we go. Okay, this one is also, well, I'm guessing 28, 29. There we go. Whew. Okay. I think now I'm going to put in the, oh, I forget the name of it right now. It's hot. Forgive me. Please forgive me. I am very hot. But I'll put a little bit of Loctite on here. And get this one started in here. Don't want to go. Don't force it. Well, now I knocked all the Loctite off of it. There we go. Maybe she'll go in now, peaceably. Please go in peaceably. It's hot. Well, it seems to be going in nice. It's too hot to be doing stuff outside, but gotta get things done. It's been so hot here in Manitoba. It's been hard getting stuff done. This one gonna tighten to 18 foot-pounds or 19 foot-pounds, either way. Whatever I get locked in here. Not 15. There we go. 18 foot-pounds. I'm also using my cheap Power Fist 3/8 drive torque wrench. Seems to work really good. So this one works better than my last Power Fist, which broke. There we go. That one's locked in. I don't know why that one's, probably because the bolt's longer. Probably. All right. Well, let me take a breather. I need a drink. All right, I'm back. I'm not too certain how this ITM belt is supposed to go. I've used them in the past. There's a mark here, and there's a mark way over here. Now, speaking, that mark should go there. I don't know. Is this the right belt? 4412. Because I have, that doesn't line up right at all. At all with this. It does not line up at all with anything I'm doing here. I think I'm going to have to be buying a new belt. This is ridiculous. This is totally not right. No, don't do that. ITM, you let me down. Of course, you are made in China, so this does not. This belt ain't right. Or I'm just stupid and don't know how to put this belt on. But this is not lining up the way I know the belts to line up. So I'm a little confused here. Okay, maybe if I pull that up. This still. Yeah, it looks like I'll be buying a new belt. This does not look right to me at all. And then this belt is too short. What is this belt to? Okay, they sent me the wrong belt. I don't know what this is to. It's not to a 2.5 engine. I don't think it is. So that goes like that. And then this is supposed to go around there. Oh, my word. Yeah. This go around there. And this is definitely not going to fit this car. Well, that's kind of a crappy thing. This belt, I swear I checked this 4412. It says here 4412. I checked, this belt should fit this car, but nothing lines up right. So I got a bad feeling, or I'm an idiot. That is possible, by the way, but I don't think this is gonna fit. Here, I'll try it a little bit more off camera. So there we are. It ain't gonna fit. I gotta order another belt. It's just, no matter which way I do this belt ain't gonna fit on this engine at all. Let me, don't want to hurt you. You're not on the vehicle yet. Yeah. There we are. Let's turn this one. Oh, that did not want to do that. Nah, it's not gonna fit. Okay, this was a short video. Well, at least I got to show you something for this. This will go up Wednesday. This is not making me happy. Dang it, I ordered this belt first of all. Okay, well, thanks for watching if you do watch it. This is a complete belt fail for, I guess I should have bought something different. Okay, this slows me down again on my project. The heat, day-to-day life, work, and now a belt that doesn't fit. Great.